In this video I am going to tell you how you can use AI to make a product photo shoot free that is online. So this is a photo t-shirt and I will make it. You can see the background is not looking good and this is not looking up to the mark. Let me open this in full screen. So this is not looking good at all, so I will use online AI to correct it. So what I do, I open google.com and I will log in with Gmail. So I need to type FLAIR Flair AI. So I will use this Flair.ai and I will log in with my Gmail. So I hope you have Gmail. So you just need to click on get started. It's free of cost and do not need to pay anything. Continue with Google and enter your Google ID. It's up to you whether you want to upgrade it or not. It's free as well. So after that you need to click on this option product and click on this option upload product photo. So just tap on this and here you need to select this t-shirt and it is now selected. So you need to skip this part whether you want to remove background or not. Yes, I want to remove the background because it is not showing, so I will wait for it. It is removing my background automatically. So just click on this remove option, that's it, and it will remove the background. And you can describe the image here. It will automatically write for you because it is AI. You can write anything if you want and click on this continue option. Photos graph is added here. I'll remove this other part. Let me click on this save option first so that it will save my this image plain background. So you can also click on this generate option and see what it will generate for you. So it is generating something. It is in process, you can see. You need to wait for a few seconds and it is very quick and it is a free of cost. There are so many AI software which charge you. It is also asking you to upgrade here at top, you can see, but you do not need to upgrade it for simple task. If you want some advanced task or you're doing it for corporates, you can upgrade it, but for simple things you do not need to upgrade anything. It will give you the required services free of cost, small services. This is very useful. Yeah, you can see background is now removed. So you can open it in a new tab and click on save, and you can simply save it in your system. So you can simply open, see, you can see this is now looking great. Earlier it was looking not good, so now you can see it is looking great. So I hope friends now you will be able to use this AI and use this AI to get such type of photo shoot or better than them. You can regenerate them if you want. So in case you find this video as useful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.